Hey, it's Chris with Fairway Home Detailing. We want to tell you about the two different methods we use to clean windows at your home. The first process, which you're probably most familiar with, is traditional window cleaning. This process is going to utilize a mop and a squeegee to clean the window. Traditional window cleaning works by first scrubbing the window with your mop and a cleaning solution. That's going to release all the dirt from the glass into that cleaning solution. Then, in order to get all the dirty solution off the glass, we're going to use a squeegee. The squeegee works by removing that dirty solution and drying the window at the same time. The one drawback of using traditional window cleaning mop and squeegee method is that any water or dirty water left on the glass will create a streak. Now, when we're using a water-fed pole or the pure water system, the very first step is the same. We need to get all that dirt or pollen or whatever's on the glass off the glass. So what you see us use is the water-fed pole brush in a scrubbing motion, which is going to use the water, the deionized water, coming out of those bristles to pull all the dirt off the glass and suspend it in what you see as water on the glass. Then we need to remove all that dirty water. And what you'll see us do is pull the water-fed pole away and give the whole window a good rinse down. That's going to remove all the dirty water, and any water you see remaining is going to be 100% pure deionized water. So we should probably go over what is pure water. In the most basic of terms, pure water is water that's gone through a process to take out all the hardness, all the contaminants from the water, so you're left with something when it dries on glass, there's absolutely no spot, no streak, nothing left behind. This hardness of the water is measured in something called TDS. TDS is another way to say the total dissolved solids in the water. The total dissolved solids are what would cause the spot if you were to let it dry on the glass. So we want to take the water that typically comes out of your house, which can be 400 or 500 parts per million of TDS, and bring it down to 10 or below before we put that water onto your window. And how do we get the water deionized from your house to the window? We're going to take the water that's coming out of your spigot. It'll be delivered to our system through a hose that we attach to your house. The water first travels through a filter. Then it travels through a second tank, which contains a resin. These two tanks output water that is measured in parts per million of total dissolved solids of 10 or below. Then that water is ran through a hose that goes to our water-fed pole, and that's the water that we use for water-fed pole cleaning. Since every house is different, there's going to be times where we may decide to use one process over the other, but whether it's the traditional method with a squeegee and a mop or the water-fed pole method, you can be assured as a homeowner the result will be the same, which is spot-free, streak-free windows. If you have any questions on our window cleaning service, give us a call at 919-388-2204 or visit us at fairwayhomedetailing.com.